Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. She is a famous actress with a net worth of approximately $120 million. She has appeared in more or less 40 films so far. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie. Lee. No. Angelina. Lee. Jolie. Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie is known for portraying strong and complex characters, often in action and humanitarian-themed roles. Some of her top movies include Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and Maleficent. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Angelina Jolie, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.